Moses was a Cajun. He lived by himself in the swamp. He hunted alligator for a living. It just knock him in the head with a stone. The Louisiana
Birch
law
bark
don't reach
lampshade
Amos.
on our birch log.
It ain't legal hunting alligator down in the swamp, boy. Now everybody blamed his old man for making him mean as a snake. When Amos Moses was a boy, his daddy would use him for alligator bait. Tie a rope around his waist and throw him in the swamp.